I'm not gonna kiss you. What the heck? Why would you ask that? Get away, you're gross. I don't know you.
I just literally did my whole brows in Ulta. I had like no brows on it. I just put brows on in Ulta. I've been wanting to get this for a long time. It's the Benefit Cosmetics palette for your brows. I've been wanting it a long time, but it's like $40, man. I don't know if I want to spend that much. I'm probably gonna get this NYX white liner, this Essence mascara because it's cheap and good, and the Carly Bible, new Carly Bible palette. I don't know why I am spending that. Like, it's just random. And what the heck is beeping? I'm thinking about doing my whole face and make. Why is this beeping, man? Hello? Is there there's a camera on this. Hello? Literally. They're beeping at me. So, I'm really thinking about doing a full face of makeup right now. Like, randomly. I wish I had a brush though. They have little thingies. They have little things. Okay, they have these little things and some of this stuff. And yeah. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of my makeup. Perfect. Alright. I've got tons of creases right now. I guess I'm gonna use one of these. Because it's not like you can use a brush. I wanna try Born This Way foundation. Let's go there. I was gonna do It Cosmetics. Oh, do I have to leave my Carly Bible palette? No, I don't want to leave it. It's like the last one. Okay, let's find it. All the perfume. Bare Minerals. No, I just never wanted to try Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals. I never wanted to try it. Okay, here we go. Too Faced. Oh, dang. Their testers are like out. Okay. Sculpting concealer. I don't want the concealer. Here we go. Born This Way foundation. Right here. And then the concealers are up there. And I am crouching. The other place. I hope that was fucking recording, man. I'm using Born This Way foundation. I wish they had a mirror right here. It's a lot. I'm always late. This would look a lot better with a beauty blender or brush, but... Oh, and I don't have primer. So that's another thing. Now the workers are looking at me. See, they got these lights that make it look a lot better, but then you step outside and it's like, what the heck is that? What the heck is this? Cover effects. What? Am I pressing the freaking thing on? That's gross. Bowel movement. It's really pretty. I do want to try this highlighter by Too Faced. No, I'll try this. Hands are covered. Do you see the people walking by? If you guys didn't know, I don't know if I'm upside down or sideways. If you guys didn't know, at these stations they have, usually they have like rubbing alcohol and you can spray those on your hand. Or they have like hand sanitizer. If you put that on your hands, rub it together and then get like a tissue or something, it'll get the swatches off of you pretty good. Okay, I guess I'm gonna check out. I got the Last Carly Bible palette. Ooh, this one right there. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Or no, the one next to it. It's pigmented. It's very pigmented. But it is $30. The MAC Flush and Awe. This is gonna be a bad video. I just started spraying that stuff on my face right now. I thought about getting this palette right there because of the glitter and some of the colors. Very pretty.
Did you swipe the card?
Yeah. Okay, let me go yes.
Go ahead and sign.
In the sun, how it looks, I can't see yet. But I'm sure when I watch this back, I'll just like jump scare myself. Now when I saw the foundation in the store, the Too Faced, I didn't like how it was looking, but I don't know. We'll definitely test out or at least swatch the Carly Bible palette. And I will do a full swatch on my arm or something. I haven't swatched it or anything. I just saw that it was the last one. It's 15 bucks off. It's ABH, so I got it. That poor baby. All right, we're gonna go home. I could see why they probably thought that I was stealing or something. They were just looking at me weird. And I'm pretty sure though, like just putting the makeup on, looking weird. And then I'm wearing this like two jackets, and one's super huge that's puffy and it looks like a jacket I would wear like if I was about to just clear the place out, you know, just borrow everything, 5-finger discount, all that, whatever. So I see why. Ooh, this blush though. Sorry. $30 blush. Screw you. I don't need you. $30. Whatever. Didn't need you. No. I want it so bad. No. No, the highlight is so pretty. Look at that. And the blush. Oh, I have to get it. Anyways, I dumpster dived and no, I didn't. I just stuck one leg in, so I technically didn't. I did pull out a few pieces of clothes and looked at them. They were ripped. It's like, yeah, one of the nicest. Sorry, you're shaking. Are you cold? Are you okay? Are you nervous? Don't be nervous. I'm nobody. It's
okay that I'm beautiful and rich.
Not everyone can bear this burden. Okay, I gotta go. And by the way, I should not have put that lipstick on. I dabbed it on my hand, and then I put some like on my lips, which is really pretty, but I probably have gonna sniff a herpa AIDS now, herpes AIDS. So little STD joke for you. I'm sorry. If you have any of those, I'll kiss you. Well, I'm married, but well, not the ones that are spread by mouth. I wouldn't kiss you if you had herpes.
I'm not gonna kiss you. What the heck? Why would you ask that? Get away, you're gross. I don't know you.
This stupid large truck made me miss my turn. So I used like this Hangover, I think, bronzer, but I used a little bit like right here and then rubbed it in, not much. Then I used that, what was it, MAC blush. I'll look again back at the video, but I think it was like MAC $30 blush. That was beautiful. Then there was highlight that was by MAC too, that was beautiful. I also used some of the, I think it was Too Faced highlight or something, beautiful. And then that lip that was by BS. What was it? I don't know. You watched it, whatever. So I'll try to remember what I got and try to list it or something, maybe below or somewhere. I don't freaking know. But technically, I did do a full face of makeup. I even used a little bit of the banana setting powder that they had there. That was like the Hangover. It actually had like little bananas on it. It was very cute. I'm really good at this. Make sure you subscribe to this video and then unsubscribe and then resubscribe, okay? And the notifications on. I hate doing that stuff, but I guess you're supposed to. You know what makes me subscribe? If someone's like,
Please subscribe, you know, blah, blah, blah.
and I'm like, stop, don't ask me right in the beginning, I don't know you. And then they say a funny joke and I'm like, alright, okay, I'll subscribe. So it does work. So I'm gonna stop. But this is the Carly Bible palette. I've showed a look in this video that I did with it, but I will swatch it. I have not swatched it yet, so I will now. So I will start from this and start swatching down like this. So I'm going to do the first row from left to right. And yes, I did try to cover up my tattoos a bit, so I'm going to do this. Hopefully there's enough light in here to see. Alright, now I'm going to be doing from left to right on the second row. Dude, I really just didn't finish. Okay. I really just didn't finish that row, so I'm going to finish these, swatching these last two. Sorry about that. It's very sparkly and pretty. There's like sparkles in it. It's very pretty. So I got two colors swatched here. Now I'm going to keep going. Cindy. That's a pretty color too. That's them all swatched, and I think this is a beautiful palette. I don't care.
I don't care what people say about me and Carly Bible. We're in love.
So yeah. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video and get through it, then I appreciate you so much. Please subscribe though and take it an extra step. Bye.